Let us discuss general organic chemistry JEE main question. Let us see the question. How many different primary alkyl groups are possible with C5H11? Here given is alkyl group. The alkyl group general formula let us see. Alkyl group general formula let us see. Alkyl group general formula is C5H11. C5H11 given, that is general formula is CnH2n plus 1. General formula is CnH2n plus 1. Given formula is C5H11. Let us substitute 5 here. If we 5 substitute, it will become 11. Therefore, given C5H11 is alkyl group. In this, what we have to find in the sense primary alkyl groups you have to find. So now we will write for C5H11 what are the possible alkyl groups we will write. One is one alkyl group is CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. It is one alkyl group. Next, we will write that this unsaturation, we will write here. Unsaturation position will change. Unsaturation position we are writing at the second carbon. Next, we will write unsaturation position at the third carbon. We will write unsaturation position at third carbon. We are writing. Next, what we will do in the sense we will write 4 carbons in the straight chain. 1 carbon as a branch. Suppose 1 carbon is a branch here. 4 carbons in the straight chain. 4 carbons in the straight chain. Next, what shall we do in the sense this carbon we will write here. This carbon we will write here. We will get CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2 single bond. This is possible. Next, we will write unsaturation. We will write at this carbon. At this carbon, unsaturation we will write. We will get unsaturation at this carbon. Next, we will write this CH3 we will write at this place. We have written this. Now, if you see, this unsaturation is at this carbon is directly attached to one carbon, therefore it is primary carbon, therefore it is called primary alkyl group. It is called primary alkyl group. Now we will see unsaturation at this carbon is directly attached to one carbon here, second carbon here, third carbon here, therefore this carbon is tertiary, so that we can say that it is a tertiary alkyl group. Now here this unsaturation is at this carbon is primary carbon, so we can say it is primary alkyl group. Primary alkyl group. Now we will see this one we will see at this carbon unsaturation is there. This carbon is directly attached to one carbon, so it is primary carbon, therefore it is a primary alkyl group. We can call this is primary alkyl group. Here unsaturation at this carbon is directly attached to one carbon left side, one carbon right side, so it is secondary carbon, so it is called a secondary alkyl group. It is coming under secondary alkyl group. Similarly, it is secondary alkyl group. Secondary alkyl group. This is here unsaturation present at this carbon is directly attached to one carbon at the left, so it is primary carbon. Unsaturation is present at primary carbon, therefore it is called a primary alkyl group. Now let us see how many primary alkyl groups are there. Let us see. Here one possibility is there, here one possibility, second possibility. Next here one third possibility is there, here one fourth possibility is there. So number of primary alkyl groups. Number of primary alkyl groups, how many in the sense 4. Therefore, answer for this question is B option. What they asked, you see, how many different primary alkyl groups are possible with C5H11. That means number of different primary alkyl groups. This is one. It is one primary alkyl group. It is second primary alkyl group. It is a third primary alkyl group. It is fourth primary alkyl group. Therefore, answer for this question is what in the sense 4 different primary alkyl groups. So answer is B option.